Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, grade 2. How are you today, girls? Today, inshallah, we will finish unit 6. But before this, let's revise on the last lessons. We live in the Middle East part of the earth. Countries in the Middle East part of the earth are hot and dry, so there aren't many different types of plants and animals. And here we have some examples of animals and plants that found in hot and dry countries: camel, goat, lizard, snake, butterfly, locust, gerbil, moth, finch, dead palm tree, olive tree, desert rose, French tamarisk, panorama flower. If you wanted to live, which place do you choose? You choose this. Why? Because weather here is not hot, not cold. It's very good weather, and here is very hot. There is water and shadow here, and there is no water and shadow here. You remember the living things, they are plants and animals. And adaptation means what? The things that animals or plants do. Why? To stay alive. Here we have the adaptation of the plants. Plants that adapted to hot and dry weather, they have thick leaves. Thick leaves means big from inside. So they keep cool and stop water escaping, stop water moving out, so they can stay alive in the hot and dry weather. Here we have some animals. Adaptation. Animals and plants that live in hot and dry countries live by keeping what? Cool and saving water. Yes, excellent. Here we have elephant and camel. They have what? To protect themselves from the sun. They have what on their bodies? They have thick skin. They have thick skin. And here we have lizard, gerbil, and snake. They hide from the sun where? In the burrows. Burrows means holes inside the sand or under rocks like this gerbil here. Here we have bat and moth. How can they adapt to the hot and dry weather? They only come out at night. They only come out at night. After that, we talked about environment. Environment is the place or the or the land and the climate or weather where plants and animals live. So climate means what? Weather, like hot, cold, dry, warm, rainy, stormy. If there is more water in any environment, so there will be more plants and animals, you know this. And here we have three environments. This is called what? Sea environment, desert environment, and mountains environment. After that, we talked about two environments. They are called what? Coastal fog, woodlands. This one, coastal fog, woodlands. And here we have warm sea, warm sea. The animals that live in the coastal fog, woodlands, they are what? Leopard, oryx, warbler, wolf. And the animals that live in warm sea, they are whale, turtle, and tuna. Here we have two other environments. This is called what? Grasslands and mountains. And here we have wetlands. Wetlands have what? Water in it. So the animals and plants that live in the grasslands and the mountains, they are what? Goat, sheep, grass, vulture, mountain gazelle. And the animals, plants that live in the wetlands, they are toad, turtle, grass, heron, reeds, and fish. And we talked here about the desert environment. Desert environment, the animals that live in the desert, they are what? Gerbil, snake, camel, and scorpion. After that, we talked about something called what? Pollution. Pollution means what? The bad things that happen to our environment. Bad things like this happen to our environment, happen to the place that we live. So this pollution kill what? Plants and animals, and make bad things to what? to the water and the air. Pollutes means what? Make bad things to water and air. What are the types of pollution here that we have? We have here rubbish, litter, smog, noise, and traffic. Here we have the ways to stop the pollution. Examples to stop pollution. This number one, don't litter. Don't throw the basket in the streets. Put rubbish in its place. So here, don't litter and put rubbish in its place. Number two, recycle bottles or anything you can reuse it again. Anything you have it and you can use it again, please recycle it. Number three, here, don't play loud music. Don't make noise. Don't play loud music. And yesterday we talked about the weather in the hot and dry countries. But before this, we talked about the 4 seasons. They are what you remember: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Types of weather. This is what? Hot, cold. This one, dry and sunny. Wet and rainy, dry and sunny, wet and rainy. And this one, stormy or windy, stormy or windy. And this one, calm weather, not windy, not stormy, calm, quiet weather. Here we have clouds in the sky, so this weather will be what? Cloudy, cloudy weather, cloudy. And this one, there is no clouds here and the sky is clear. So here we will write what? Clear weather. The weather in hot and dry countries is what? In summer season, it can be what in the day? Very hot in the day. And at night, it will be very cold? No. It will be what? Cool. It will be cool, nice weather. Number two, in the winter, it can be what in the day? It can be very cold? No. Very hot? No. It can be warm in the day during the winter season, and at night it will be what? Very cold, very cold. The only time it rains only will be in the winter season. Okay, so the only time in hot and dry countries it rains when? In the winter season. Today inshallah we'll talk about the water, from where we can get water. The water that we drink, the water that we use at our homes, the water that you drink it or wash your face or brush your teeth or take a shower. This water comes from where? Comes from where, girls? Can you see here? This is what? Rains. So the water can come from where? Rains. So this is called what? Rain water. Rain water. Rain water. And after that, these rains, they go where? They move to reach to underground. So this water here, can you see this water here? Is underground. So this is called underground water. The rainwater moves till reach to underground. When it be underground, so it's called what? It's called what? Underground water. Can you see the lakes here and underground water? Maybe what? Form lakes. You know, lakes like this, okay? Also, we can get water from the sea. So this is called what? Sea water. So we can get water in hot and dry countries from 3 sources here: rainwater, underground water, and sea water. So number one here, in hot and dry countries, we can get water from where? Rainwater, underground water, and sea water. Okay, girls. Can we drink water from the sea directly? Can you drink the sea water? Did you drink it before? No, we can't drink sea water from the sea directly. Why? This water has what? Too much of what? Of sugar? No, too much of what? Of salt. Do you know salt? Do you remember the salty food? So the seawater here contains too much salt, so we can't drink it directly. We should clean it from the salt before then drink it. Okay, girls? We can use water for what? This is what this girl here doing what? Washing dishes. Washing dishes. And this girl here washing clothes. Washing clothes. And this man is taking a shower. Taking a shower. This boy here brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. And this girl finally drinking water. So we can use water for these things and more things. But here we have examples: washing dishes, washing clothes, taking a shower, brushing teeth, and drinking water. Okay, grade 2, thank you. If you can't understand any point, please send me a message. Bye bye.